I'm going to show you how you can use the True Beauty Glow device. Now on the True Beauty Glow device, you can buy it from this website here, thebeautyglow.com. You can see there will be a couple of actual devices here that you can buy and you can use as well. There is a lot you can use here. If you want to buy, it will be here, right? If you want to buy it. But if you want to know how you can use, so this is the device right now, shop now. If you want to buy it, you can go here. If you want to use, you just have to Google True Beauty Glow FAQ here. And if you buy it, I think you'll get a manual along with it as well. You can see on here, this is what it will look like. Now for the FAQ here, if you want to go here, go to the FA key here. Now on the True Beauty Glow FA key here, you can see this is what it will look like. This is how you use the True Beauty Glow device. To use the True Beauty Glow device, start by cleansing your face to remove any impurities, and then apply a thin layer of your favorite face serum or conductive gel for the best result, and then turn on the device by pressing the power button, select your desired mode, and gently glide it over your face upward and upward motion for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then you can finish by turning off the device and wiping it clear. There's also a couple of other frequently asked questions here, like how often should you use the device and how do you charge and how long does the battery last. You can skim through this or you can read it through on here. Again, the way you can get on this website is through Beauty Glow FA key and then right here, right? So that is how you use the True Beauty Glow FA key.